everyone, and welcome to One Shot. I'm Rob, and in today's video we're going to take a look at the HUAWEI Mate X2. In today's video, the first thing we are going to do is unbox the brand new HUAWEI Mate X2 and have a look at this brand new foldable beauty. So let's open up the box and take a look at what's inside. First things first, opening the box is a pleasant experience, and the first thing that you'll see is the HUAWEI Mate X2, which is absolutely stunning. The second thing that you'll notice is that there are two black boxes, which you can identify which box is the accessories box and which box is the SIM pin box based on the engravings on the actual box itself. And inside each of the boxes contains the relative accessories or manual that you'll need for the HUAWEI Mate X2. So first, let's take a look at what's inside this first box. What you'll find inside is actually really cool. You've got the 66 watt supercharging AC adapter, and oh my god, I can't believe that there is a pair of headphones in the box for a 2021 product. Unlike some manufacturers. The 66 watt charger is the same as the HUAWEI Mate 40 Pro, giving this product the latest technology offered by HUAWEI. The other little box that you'll find inside the HUAWEI Mate X2 box is actually the SIM pin and also the product manual. Because it's only those two things, for today's video, we'll skip it. Now let's take a look at this brand new HUAWEI Mate X2, and I mean, wow, this is an incredibly beautiful foldable smartphone. It feels much lighter than the previous version when I hold it in my hands for the first time, and the foldable experience is much smoother and more comfortable to use, making me feel like this product is actually going to really deliver a much better foldable, smooth experience to the end consumer. The product that I've got in my hand today is the classic black, which feels silky smooth to hold in the hands and is really comfortable to simply fold and instantly start using. Now, as I hold the product in my hand, you generally feel that it is actually really light and thin. As you open it up, you'll notice that the edge of the device is actually incredibly thin, and I love that HUAWEI's gone to extra attention to detail to make sure that the edge of the product is really nice and smooth with this really flush metal texture. Now, as you're looking at the product, you'll notice that this side is a little bit thicker than the other side, creating a wedge-shaped experience to the foldable smartphone. You'll notice this year that the axle of the HUAWEI Mate X2 is utilizing an aircraft-grade steel texture that actually brings a little bit more durability and reliability to the folding experience. As you know, when purchasing a foldable smartphone, the folding experience is very important, and it is also a hot topic when looking at foldable smartphones. This year, in an official statement with the HUAWEI Mate X2, HUAWEI claims that they've launched a new version of the hinge, which is called the Twin Twist Water Hinge. Essentially, this new hinge is so smooth and tight in terms of the design of the hinge itself that it stops debris or pocket lint actually getting into the screen area, potentially causing damage. Additionally, it's also much smoother in terms of the lighting experience of the display itself, and it's so smooth and compact that even with a very thin A4 piece of paper, you can't actually get into the foldable screen display area. Now let's take a look at the brand new HUAWEI Mate X2. First of all, when you look at the top of the product, you'll see that there is a SIM card slot as well as a speaker, an infrared transmitter, and a secondary microphone for excellent call quality. On the right-hand side of the product, when it is folded, you'll see two antenna strips as well as the volume keys and an integrated fingerprint and power button all in one. On the back of the product, you'll identify a Leica lens experience which contains 4 cameras. The first one being a 50 megapixel main camera with 2 telephoto lenses and a 16 megapixel ultra-wide angle lens as well. Now that we've taken a look at the exterior experience of the product, let's open this product up and have a look at the software experience that the HUAWEI Mate X2 offers. The HUAWEI Mate X2 has a 6.45-inch flexible OLED outer screen and an 8-inch flexible foldable inner screen. Both screens support a maximum 90 Hz refresh rate. When using the unfolded 8-inch display, mini screen experience reminiscent of a tablet. In this mode, I can realize a variety of features, such as the multitasking window. This allows me to watch my videos and complete some online shopping at the same time. This multi-screen experience does allow me to really truly access multiple things at the same time, again allowing me to become a true master of time management. The HUAWEI Mate X2 really is a two-in-one product, allowing you to really experience a nice tablet reminiscent experience with that big 8-inch foldable display, as well as a smartphone experience at the same time. What surprised me was its humanization in some of the software experience. For example, when you open the memo application and start typing, you will find the G and V keys on both sides of the keyboard, which is really convenient for a lot of consumers. Regardless of whether you're left-handed or right-handed, you actually have a really nice gesture hand interaction experience available on the HUAWEI Mate X2. So I think the key question for a lot of consumers is, why fold in a smartphone? Why should I purchase one? Should I get one? Is it a product that I will really use? And I'm going to take you back to the beginning of the experience of this product that I've had. And that is, every single time that you open up that foldable display experience, you feel like you're opening up a book, much like opening up a new experience or jumping into a new world of adventure with the product at the same time as still having that really nice smartphone experience. That's it for my review of the HUAWEI Mate X2 today. Did you like the review? Do you like the product? Let us know in the comments below, and stay tuned to the One Shot Tech channel for more videos to come. Bye-bye!